You can have an amazing iron or hoover or microwave or stove or whatever it may be. You can have a Tesla, one of those electric cars. But if there is no electricity, what is the use of that? It just looks nice from far, but it doesn't work. There is no electricity. There's nothing to plug it in. Somehow you need to make a plan. You need to connect it. You need to ensure that it's working. If there is a battery, you need to recharge that battery. If you don't, it won't work. My prayers 5 times a day, I consider it the recharging of my battery. If I don't connect, something will go wrong. Fajr, Dhuhr, Asr, Maghrib and Isha. If I don't connect, something will go wrong. What is the connection? I need to plug in and fulfill my units of prayer. That's it. I have no compromise. My brothers, my sisters, you know what I am saying is not new to you. It's only a reminder.